Hey everyone, I'm Marc Sievers, and I just wanted to share a little bit of information with you behind my very first cookbook almost 8 years ago, Entertaining with Love. So I grew up cooking and entertaining, learning from my grandmother. We called her Nan. Everybody has a Nan in their life, I'm sure. And she really taught me the foundation for good cooking, how to set a table, how to welcome guests into your home. And that has really been with me my entire life, almost 4 decades. Really good moisturizer. But this book takes you through my kind of favorite recipes for tried and true great ingredients, flavor combinations, and how you too can entertain with love. Add the book to your cart, and I hope one day we meet and let's swap stories about who taught you how to cook, because I have more stories about Nan, including how she used to have a little too much Chablis and light the wrong end of cigarettes. Bye, guys.